Now let us assume the second case. In this case, we will connect base of this second transistor, that is Q2, to ground and apply a plus 1 volt to base of the Q1. So in this case, as you can see, previously you have a common signal to both the inputs, and in this case you have a only 1 volt and other transistor will be grounded. So as a result, due to this plus 1 volt, Q1 will conduct. So Q1 will conduct, and due to this conduction, this will be in forward biased. So this potential will be 0.3 volt because there will be a 0.7 volt drop. 0.7 volt drop. So that potential will be 0.3 volt, and that base is connected to ground. So there is a voltage difference of 0.3 volt, 0.3 volt, which is not sufficient to make it forward biased. So that current will be 0. So in this case, your IC2 will be 0, and as a result, so this current will be 0. Total current is previously IQ by 2 and IQ by 2. So in previous case, when we connect both the terminals shorted together and apply a common potential, in this case you have IQ by 2 and IQ by 2. So both currents are same. Now in this case, in present case, you have this current 0. As a result, the rest of the currents, that is total current, will flow through this branch. And that is IQ, only IQ. And this current will be IQ. So that's how this differential pair will work. As a result, V02 will be, so there is no current, so there will be no drop. V02 will be VCC, and V01 will be VCC minus alpha IQ RC. There may be second case. If I consider that that voltage is minus 1 volt, if I consider this potential is minus 1 volt and that is 0 volt. So if I consider in second case, if I consider connect this base to minus 1 volt and that is to ground, so what will happen in this case? Due to this negative potential, due to this potential, and there is a negative potential here, so as a result this will be in forward bias, so that junction will be forward biased, and as a result the potential here will be minus 0.7 volt. So minus 0.7 volt, and base is connected to minus 1. So as it is a NPN transistor, you can see that this will be in reverse bias. As a result, this current will be 0, and that will be total IQ amount of current.